Hi, my name is LaDone Cogburn. I'm here today to have a 2-week follow-up with Dr. Jonna. I had a total knee replacement on the right knee. It's been 7 years coming, so I went through a lot of pain and a lot of falling and stuff like that, so I'm very happy that I'm getting this done. Soon, when I'm ready, I will have the other knee done, and hopefully I'll be running a marathon by then. We'll see. When I first came in the first time, and then the second time, he knew exactly who I was. He knew my name. He spoke to me like we've been friends forever, and just he seemed very genuine about my care and what I needed. Because I usually go by being referred to a doctor instead of the insurance telling me who I need to go to. As far as the staff, everybody has been just super nice. They've been very genuine. Bedside manner has been phenomenal. Dr. Jonna is my favorite doctor. Okay, just saying. Is he on the eyes? Yes, he is. But he's very kind. He was so courteous, if you will, to me. Because I asked him, can I pray for you and the staff that's going to do my surgery today? And he turned around and he not only he put his hand in mine, and I put my other hand, so I was holding his hand, and he let me pray. And then he said, thank you. He appreciated it. And that spoke to me. My favorite doctor.